presents. Assalamu alaikum, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making a new steak recipe with a creamy sauce. It's gonna be amazing. Let's get started. For the steak, we're going to use some freshly ground black pepper. Garlic. Going to use one shallot. It's gonna add a really nice flavor to our sauce. Cut that in the middle, nice and easy. There you go, beautiful. So I've got here 2 flank steak fillets. Look at them, beautiful layer of fat in there. So we're going to keep things very simple. I'm just gonna season it with a touch of black pepper. There we go. Some salt. Just tap that there. Turn it around. We're gonna do the same on this side, yeah? So touch of black pepper. Same with this baby over here. Touch of salt. People, they tend to obviously add lots of spices, and I don't think there's need for that. You can just get a maximum flavor using salt and pepper only. Now if you want, you can just let it sit for around 30-40 minutes. Let the spices obviously infuse in there. Alright, watch carefully. We're gonna turn on the heat. Low medium heat. Let the pan get nice and hot. Touch of oil in there, not too much, just a touch. So the pan is nice and hot. I'm just gonna add my steak in there. Nice and easy. Always away from you, okay? There you go, beautiful. Alright, so the timing really depends how you want your steak to be. I want it around medium, so I'm gonna cook it around 3 minutes on each side. So while this beauty is cooking, I'm just gonna add a bit of garlic in there. Our beautiful shallots goes in there as well. Nice and easy. Touch of rosemary, Touch my shallot. While this is cooking, I'm just gonna add a touch of butter in there. There you go, beautiful. So it's been 2 minutes as well. I'm just gonna turn that. Okay, look at that. That looks fantastic. Has a beautiful sear on there. That's what I'm looking for. So adding a bit of the butter on there. Look at that, that looks amazing, right? With the beautiful shallots and the beautiful garlic, this is gonna be amazing, alright? Wow. That beautiful garlic, oh man, it's gonna be amazing. So just another 30 seconds to go. And then we're gonna stop it, alright? Look at our beautiful shallots as well. They're getting nice and brown. Amazing. There you go. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright guys, the steak is ready. I'm just gonna turn off the heat here. I'm just gonna remove our steak into this foil paper here. Just gonna add that beautiful rosemary on there. We're going to let the steak rest for around 30 to 40 minutes. It's very important, okay, before you serve it. I'm just gonna let it rest in a warm place. Now for the sauce, very easy. I'm just gonna add a touch of Worcester sauce in there. There you go, beautiful. Touch of soy sauce. Half cup of water. And a good pinch of black pepper in there. Salt. A good chunk of butter. Add that in there, okay? There you go. Just let them melt in there. Lastly, there is one more thing, which is you can either add ketchup or you can add a touch of, chili sauce in there. Just give it that kick. It's gonna be amazing, trust me. Mix that in and let this simmer away. The sauce is simmering and it looks fantastic. Just another minute and then I'm just gonna turn off the heat. Alright, the beautiful steak sauce is ready. Just turn off the heat now. Done. Alright, so let's check our steak. I'm just gonna open this nice and easy. As you can see, there's some leftover juices there. I can just add that back into the sauce. It's gonna give it a really nice flavor. So there's our beautiful steak. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it here. I'm just gonna add it here. Alright guys, so grab your knife. I'm just gonna remove this. Bismillah. There you go. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's just cut this first. Beautiful, looks amazing. It's very nice and juicy, you know. As you can see, I'm just gonna show you guys. Look at that. That looks fantastic. Let's just show the juices on there. Look at that. Nice and juicy. Amazing. Wow. Just the way I like it. Alright guys, the steak looks fantastic. I'm just gonna add our beautiful shallots as well in there. Nice and easy. Look at that. Now you can serve this with a bit of salad, of course. So I'm just gonna add that here. Beautiful. Our beautiful sauce, I'm just gonna add it here. Look at that. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Look at that. Looks delicious.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Bismillah. Wow. So delicious. Wow. So nice and juicy. Oh. Look at that. Wow. So delicious, trust me. Steak is cooked to perfection and the sauce is amazing, trust me on that. Wow. Make sure you definitely try it. It's very tasty, trust me. Make it for your mom, make it for your dad, make it for your family. Enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care, enjoy my videos. Any suggestions, please leave them down below. Salam.